David De Gea cuts holiday by 2 weeks, returns at United to fight for his number one spot into the goal of Manchester United. Welcome to Rokan Sports channel. Please subscribe to our channel so as not to miss out on stories that we do upload in here on daily in here onto the channel that does 100% Manchester United news. Thank you guys for watching in. It's always nice having you onto this channel. Please feel free to come through and really tell me what you think about David De Gea returning early enough in here onto this channel, as he really came in United. I think De Gea came in at United in 2010 in there from a team which goes by names of Atletico Madrid after Edwin van der Sar said that I'm not really going to be able to be at Manchester United anymore because I felt like I needed some time to really settle up with my family in there. So he came at United in 2011 in there. He has made 339 appearances in there for Manchester United, and he's really a very good quality goalkeeper. He's one of the best shot stoppers in the world. If at all you are forgotten what he is one of the best shot stoppers in the world, top world goalkeepers. But he has one problem: he's not a modern goalkeeper, because he has been in goal for the last 10 years for Manchester United. And remember, those goalkeepers were not ball-playing defenders, ball-playing keepers. They're now. The problem that he's facing is nowadays keepers are ball-playing. They're like ball players in there. You see the likes of Alisson, Edison, Manuel Neuer in there. So that's the level you're supposed to be in there. And Dean Henderson is a better ball player than Dean Henderson. And that's the main reason I think why Manchester United board thinks, and the coaching staff thinks, that Ole Gunnar Solskjaer thinks that De Gea should not be the first choice goalkeeper of Manchester United. Because if at all you want to play the new way that Ole Gunnar Solskjaer is planning to play, with defenders like Harry Maguire, Rafael Varane if at all comes through, Luke Shaw, Aaron Wan-Bissaka, all comfortable on the ball, you must be having a ball-playing goalkeeper in there. Something that David De Gea is not having, something that David De Gea is lacking, and he's working on it. And the reason as to why he's also dropped into the picking order of the Spanish national team is that Unai Simon, that young lad from Atletico Bilbao, who was in goal for all Spain games in the Euros, is good on playing the ball. You saw him; he's a ball player. So that's the problem United is facing. Oh, sorry, De Gea is facing at United, and he fell down into the picking position of Manchester United when he really went to see her wife give birth in Spain in there, close to a month away. And Ole Gunnar Solskjaer really brought in a lad who goes by the name of Dean Henderson. So the departure of David De Gea to go and be there as a father, as her girlfriend really welcomed their firstborn in there, because David De Gea is 30 in there. So I think it was something great. And you see how English people really take long to give birth, 30 years, and that's when he's getting his first child in there. So we get back to this point that going away was like a blessing in disguise for a man who goes by the name of Dean Henderson, who had been at Sheffield for 2 seasons in there and had a very wonderful season of 2019-2020. And they really told him that we want you back at Manchester United. And a team which goes by names of Sheffield really went ahead to bring in a goalkeeper who goes by names of Ramsdale in there to be the first choice goalkeeper. They spent close to £20 million in there for him, and Dean Henderson returned at Manchester United. Now, Dean Henderson, by the start of the season, was responsible for being in goal for United in the games of FA Cup and the Carabao Cup in there. Now, after then, he really got a chance to be in goal in the Champions League game against Istanbul Başakşehir. That was away, and United saw itself lose that game in there. So that gave De Gea to be in the starting positions in the Premier League and very many other Premier League and Champions League in there. But when he left, he really lost his number one spot to a man who goes by the name of Dean Henderson. Ole Gunnar Solskjaer did put David De Gea back in goal again. You get? He was not back in goal again. That is David De Gea in there for you. And he has since dropped into the picking order of Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. And Ole Gunnar Solskjaer sources are saying that because even Dean Henderson said that the reason as to why he has not been loaned to Wolverhampton, because Wolverhampton had really put in a loan request for a player who goes by names of Dean Henderson to join them this summer, and United said no. And Dean Henderson has come out clearly in the media and told media that I've been assured that I'm going to be the number one choice goalkeeper for Manchester United, starting all the Premier League games in there. Now, looking at there, earning close to 300, 300 and 700, 370,000 pounds a week. This is something bad for David De Gea in there, because it looks like it's saddening for one of the legends of Manchester United. He has been here. He is one of the few players left into the squad that last won the Premier League in there with Phil Jones. We don't know the whereabouts of Phil Jones, so Phil Jones is expected to exit United. And I'm wondering, there is the way United treats its legends in there. Ferdinand really came out and explained how really Ed Woodward really never even allowed him to do a farewell at Manchester United, because the years that Rio Ferdinand played for Manchester United, since 2002 up to 20 what? 20 what? Was it 2013, 2014 in there? So, and you don't give him a chance to say bye-bye and do a testimonial match for him. For all the years he was at United, he won several Premier League trophies for United, won Champions League, played 3 Champions League finals and won 1. You get, he has been one of the best defenders in the world, and you give him a treatment that is really worse. The same applies to Patrice Evra. You can as well go on YouTube and hear him narrate his story of him leaving United to Juventus. How really Ed Woodward couldn't really pick up, and he just bombarded him and really surprised him, and really he was shocked on the day he left United in there. So United doesn't have respect for its legends in there ever since Alex Ferguson left. You get, I think Sir Alex Ferguson was a fear factor. Ed Woodward could fear Sir Alex Ferguson because Sir Alex Ferguson propelled the coming of the Glazers at United, and I think Sir Alex Ferguson was at a level higher than Ed Woodward when it comes to decision makings, as he used to sit with the Glazers and tell them, this is what I want this player, I have to do this and this. So now De Gea is facing this. He returns at United 2 weeks earlier, because he was supposed to return with the likes of Paul Pogba's. No, he was supposed to return with the likes of Jadon Sancho, Marcus Rashford, Freddie in there, because all those because Spain played up to the semi-final of the Euros. So he is now back 2 weeks earlier to fight for his place. Now let's wait and see. The comedy and drama continues at Manchester United into the goalkeeping department. We don't know what Ole Gunnar Solskjaer is really going to do, because if at all Ole Gunnar Solskjaer says that Dean Henderson is going to be my first choice goalkeeper, each and every time Dean Henderson makes a mistake, guess who is going to be on spot? It's going to be none other than Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, because they will say you are keeping the best goalkeeper for Manchester United for the last decade on the bench. So I think it's going to put more pressure onto the lad who goes by names of Dean Henderson, and maybe he might even lose his talent out, because I don't think he's confident enough. He's not confident enough. He doesn't have the experience. Do you know what it means playing into goal when your senior is onto the bench? That means each and every mistake you do, you are going to be put into the spotlight. But Dean Henderson also has returned into training after really overcoming that hip injury that he sustained into the England Euros in there, and he was really ruled out, and Ramsdale really joined in there, and he's up, back and training at United. De Gea is up, back and training at United. Let's wait and see, because I think in the game that we're going to play against the team which goes by names of QPR on Saturday, I think either Dean Henderson or David De Gea should be in goal. I think it's end of days for Lee Grant and Tom Heaton in there, because I think David De Gea and Dean Henderson, one of those is going to be in goal. So David De Gea returns 2 weeks earlier, showing that he says he's going no more, he's going nowhere. That was revealed by Fabrizio Romano. He said, I'm going nowhere, I'm here to fight for my number 1 spot at Manchester United. What do you think about this? Because David De Gea was supposed to be away for more 2 weeks, but he returned 2 weeks earlier to fight for his position at Manchester United. Guys, go into the comment section and tell him what you think about this story of David De Gea returning to fight for his place at Manchester United 2 weeks earlier. He was supposed to report into the first week of August, and now he has reported into the second week of July really came to an end in there. So it shows you that David De Gea has the anger. He's really anxious. He really wants to prove these people wrong, that how do you dare put in a young lad in goal ahead of me? Because there is the World Cup. It's tricky. If at all David De Gea doesn't get first team football again, he will see himself play on the bench in the World Cup, and I don't think he really wants to see himself into that position into the World Cup. But let's wait and see. Unai Simon in there for a team which goes by the Atletico Bilbao, putting David De Gea out of the national team first picking position in there into the goal, and David De Gea is no more in there. So he is back at United training, and he wants to fight for his position. Now, who do you think should be the first choice goalkeeper of Manchester United? De Gea or Dean Henderson? Go into the comment section and tell me about that. This is Rokan David, aka Radio, to this channel. Please subscribe to our channel so as not to miss out on stories that we do upload on a daily. Remember, we are putting in stories, many of them onto this channel, which goes by names of Rokan Sports channel, that does 100% Manchester United news. If at all you feel like you want to watch some other news, there is another channel known as the Football News Top 10s and Lifestyle Zone. You can as well find us there, and you'll see most of other teams in there as we prevail in there. Thank you guys for watching in. I'm out for now. See you later.